If you're a personal trainer or a gym owner, you know this scenario. Someone calls you to book a class or ask about a membership, and you're mid-session with a client. So what if people could book everything themselves without calling you? Well, with GoDaddy Airo AI Builder, you can set up your own website in one sitting, complete with class schedules, online booking, and multilingual support. No web developer or tech skills needed. Here's what I made this morning. Let me show you how quickly it all came together. Starting from Airo.ai, we'll select Create New Website and enter a brief description of our business. Airo will then ask us a few simple questions so we can tailor our website to our specific needs. And in a few minutes, we've got a homepage, complete with relevant content and images. No starting from a blank page or sifting through dozens of identical templates. We can even change this content at any time by selecting edit mode and making the change ourselves, or by asking Airo to do it for us. So the homepage looks great now, but where do people see this week's classes? Well, if we enter the prompt, add a schedule page and timetable, it'll be ready for us in just a few minutes. Perfect. Now, how do people actually reserve a spot? Simple. We just ask for a booking system to be added. We can even ask people to pay a deposit to help minimize no-shows. And just like that, it's done. What would ordinarily take an experienced developer days of work has only taken us a few clicks. Last thing, let's say half our members prefer speaking Spanish. Do we need to rebuild every page to feature a Spanish version? Not at all. In just one prompt, we can translate our entire site and even add a language toggle. Nice. But what about things like web security and search engine optimization? After all, building a website is only half the battle. Fortunately, Airo comes with built-in tools that check your site for potential vulnerabilities and help resolve them, giving you peace of mind. Plus, it automatically adds important information that speaks to search engines, helping local customers discover you from day one. And with that, our website's ready to go live. To do this, we sign up for a paid plan and click Publish. From there, we can either use an Airo web address, connect your own domain, or purchase a new one. Either way, Airo takes care of the technical stuff for us. Congrats! Your website is now officially online. Class schedules, online booking, and multi-language support, all live on your domain name. To top it off, Airo AI Builder gives you 50 free credits to start with. Link in the description below. Try it for yourself and see what you can make.